Ayos na ka, ayos na? Nine. Yeah. Sorry for that, Nine. So, ano nga, 3 days na. 3 days bago kami umalis ng Lipa. Eh, nagpakatay muna tayo ng kambing. Wala, hindi mahina ang katawan ng kambing na rin. So, pinakatay ko na at kakain kami mamaya. So, Nine. Okay? Preparing na to go again. Stabilize na. So, kami na. Not today. So, yan guys, mamimili lang kami ng mga gamit ni Shania. Kamaninay. Mamimili lang kami ng gamit ni Shania ng aming mga dadalhin sa pabalik sa UK. Nagpapabili si Shama. So, let's go. Punta kami sa si Shania. Punta kami sa bangko at tapos mamimili ng kaunti. May mga request si Shama. Kailangan bilhin. Talagang pasalubong naman sa mga kaibigan natin sa UK. So, Nina, let's go. Let's go na, ha? Bye-bye. Bye-bye muna sa Lula.
Bye-bye. You're going to London na.
Bye-bye. Come on.
Going to UK.
Going to UK now? Not yet. So, guys, we just finished our job here at BDO. So, pupunta naman kami ngayon sa Robinson na lang. Mas malapit yung Robinson dito. So, doon kami mamimili ni Shania ng gift for mommy, okay? So, nandito kami sa Ayala Highway. Hintay tayo ng tricycle. Walang tricycle eh. Hey! Tricycle! So, first time ni Nini sasakay ng tricycle. Di nila sa Robinson. Come on, Nini. So, ayan. Malapit-lapit kasi dito ang Robinson. Come on, Nina, that side. Oh, Nina. This is Rexa here in Philippines. What you can say about tricycle here in Philippines?
It's like left. It's not the right. It's very like small.
Very small.
Not like this.
Eat for kids. Okay, so ayan na. So you prepare Rexa in India, right?
Yeah.
Because in India is big. Okay. Ayun daw, mas prepare daw ni Shania ang Rexa sa India. Medyo maliit kasi nga ang ating ang tricycle natin eh. Nagre-reklamo rin si Shama eh. Masyado na maliit yun, no? Look, Nina. Pambata daw. Pambata daw yung ating tricycle. Anyway, dito lang naman kami sa Robinson, malapit. So, yan ang Robinson. Paisley pa. So, Nina, this is shopping mall here in Lipa City, Robinson.
Oh.
Are you excited? This mall?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Ayan, oh. Big Robinson. Oh. Bukas na kaya? Masyado na tayo maaga.
Oh.
Ha? Open na? Magkano?
50 lang po.
50? Nina, hold this. This.
Yeah, I forgot.
So I'm paying him 50. 50? Oh, sige. Thank you, ha? Thank you. Ano pangalan mo?
Michael po.
Michael. Hello, Michael. Thank you. Oh, so Nana is enjoying Christmas Carnival.
What?
So let's go inside. Okay, titingnan natin. We're going to check the list. Yeah? Oh. Beautiful Robinson. Is it beautiful here, Nina? No, we have to do shopping first. Look. Oh, look at this Christmas light. My God, Paskong Pasko na sa Pinas. Huh? Wait. We come here to buy something, not to play, huh? Okay?
After five.
Ayan, no?
Daddy.
Sarap mag-shopping.
After five, we're gonna outplay it.
Oh, this is Chowking, Philippines.
Good.
Nini get hungry. So, kakain muna kami dito sa Chowking. Madali lang. First time Chowking, Nini, ha?
Yeah.
Let's see kung magugustuhan ni Nini ang pagkain dito sa Chowking. Nini, you know this, Shanghai. And look this one. Oh, wonton noodles.
Hello.
Oh, it's so hot. Sorry about that. And Shopa.
What is shop? Ah,
So
yeah.
that's it, that's it. So Nini is enjoying Chowking.
I love this one.
Yeah, this one is...
I love this
Let,
one.
there's a sauce, Nina. Let me try. Good.
It is like chicken nugget.
Chicken nugget. Okay. And let's see this one. Look, Nina. Noodles. Delicious noodles, yeah? So, okay. Kain na, kain na.
Kain na.
So guys, Nini really like Philippine food. Look,
I love Chowking much.
But you are telling me to eat pizza, but I said let's try this Chowking and look, you enjoy, yeah? Are you enjoying here?
Yeah.
So guys, nag-i-enjoy si Shania dito sa Robinson Lipa. Doon kasi sa amin sa Dunstable, wala namang big mall doon like here. So before we leave Philippines, dito lang kami mamimili ng pangregalo sa kay Madam Shama. So let's go inside Robinson Supermarket. Come on, Inay. So guys, time so fast. 3 weeks ago, nagsa-shopping kami papunta ng Philippines. Ngayon naman, magsa-shopping kami ni Shania pabalik sa UK. Oh,
Daddy, look at this.
oh my God, that is big. Nina will buy this. Canton Bihon. Yeah, Canton Bihon. This will do. And this, masyado palang malaki to. Ito na lang malaki bibilhin natin, Nina. Canton Bihon. Nina, look. Canton Bihon.
Oh yeah.
So, bili natin isa pa. Pasalubong natin. What else? Parang gusto ko rin na rin. Langka. Robinson Langka. Okay. Nini, Shania. Mom is asking this. Japanese ubi cake. Pero this is Japanese. So, let's buy this one.
I want it.
So, let's go.
Look at me, yeah?
I don't know why this is Japanese, not Filipino. Let's try this one as well. Look. Ubi flavored.
Me, I love Japanese.
Really? How about here? Cupcake. Where is this? Here. This is the one. Assorted. Shama wants this. Assorted. Nina, look.
Oh yeah, look.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
So let's try this. What else? We're going to buy sinigang. Yeah, sinigang. Anyway, meron pa naman kami doon.
More sinigang.
Ha? 3. And what else? Gabi? No need gabi, we have naman there. And this one, we can try this. 75 only. Paminta kasi medyo mahal din ng paminta. Eto, Nina, yan
I want this, like it's so good.
This one.
That.
Bibili rin kami breadcrumbs. Nagluluto kasi si Shama dati ng nito tempura. At saka ito. Yeah, Nina, better we buy this breadcrumbs, yeah?
We can eat this?
Yeah, we will cook shrimp.
Yeah. You can buy 2, yeah?
Okay, so let's buy Lucky Me.
I want to buy 2.
2? No. 5. Better 5.
Yeah, 5.
Put it there.
Yeah, put it everywhere.
Put it there, okay? Special bihon.
Special big one.
Oo. 2 bihon. Special bihon, okay?
Buy this one. Then I want to buy this.
Yeah, hot and spicy. No, better this one.
Oh yeah, hot and spicy.
With calamansi and flakes oil, yeah?
3.
Yeah, 4. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This one.
Yes. Mom like this.
Buy this.
We will buy this. Small one. How many? Big one is 231, yeah?
2.
Put it there.
Only 2.
Not only 2 because many.
I think so 5.
We have to buy big one. Okay.
4 I think. So
4.
4.
Come on, put it there. And 4. Langka. This one Nina. Baka masarap to. Langka candy. Jackfruit. Okay, we'll buy this. Okay. Yeah, we'll buy this pulveron. Okay.
Does it sweet more?
We'll buy to our friends.
Yeah, I'm starving of dark.
Okay, so let's go.
Oh wait, I like this pink.
Yeah, let's go. Look. Oh, sampalok. Masarap din to, oh. Sampalok.
Masarap.
Masarap. Tamarind. Kaya lang, makamasira na. Puro sweet na ating binili. So, of course, try tayong bumili ni ng tuyo. Nina. Kasi kaya masarap din eh. Sa bisugo. Ano itong bisugo? Masarap ba itong bisugo? Ha? Isdang ba to? Masarap yan prito. Sa may suka, ano? Oh, ito. Bisugo daw, Nina. Nina, we'll try this, Milo. Kasi in the morning, para meron ka minsan. Ito, Nina, oh.
Why is it look this one?
What is this? I don't know. We'll try this, Milo. Small one. We try this Ovaltine as well, yeah? We try 2 Ovaltine and 1 Milo, okay? Pancit Canton Nina, bilhin tayo Pancit Canton, okay? Calamansi flavor. I like this calamansi flavor. Okay? Madam Shami is asking this peanut. Pero ba't wala naman Nina? Look, this is big. Yan ang gusto niya, yung ganito, yung piso-piso lang, but isa lang flavor. Honey roasted. Sugo, honey. Ngayon natin to. Medyo malaki. Sugo. So bibili tayo nito. Ano to? Spicy. Nina, wait. Mommy like this. Spicy. So try natin bumili ng dalawa. Dalawa lang. Wala kasi nito ano eh. Ganito ang masarap oh. Pero isa lang flavor. Honey pa. Gusto kasi nun yung adobo. So bili na rin na tayo nito. Honey roasted peanut. Nina here, happy. Dito tayo pipili.
Oh yeah.
Alin kaya yung plain lang? Walang adobo. Less grease. Here adobo.
Adobo.
Yan o, adobo. Okay. Adobo.
Adobo. Adobo.
Saka itong plain. Okay Nina, let's go na. What else? Wala na ba dito? Ayan o.
Yeah. Why? Adobo.
Adobo, adobo. So ito nagustuhan din ni Shania. This one, yeah, this one.
I do like that. How about it?
Peach, yeah, peach. What else? Peach. Mas maganda Nina yung local.
Kind of.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
But this is
No, you.
Western fruit. Look,
No, it's not.
grapes, orange.
No, this is different kind of fruit.
Okay, so if you want
Remember, you have to cut it.
and this one, we'll buy this one as well. Okay, so let's go.
Daddy, I'll show you. Look.
Okay na.
Okay, cut.
No, you don't need to cut. What is that? Oh, jackfruit. Nina, this is not jackfruit. This is durian. This is durian. I'll show you jackfruit. Look Nina, this is durian. Masarap to eh. Magkano kaya to? Makabili, matikman.
Spiky, yeah, spiky.
Yeah? Patitikim ko kay Nini. Miss, magkano to?
Sabi. Sabi.
Langka daw eh, sabi ng anak ko, jackfruit. 525. Oh, sige. Bibili namin. Patitikim ko lang sa anak ko. Ilagay mo na lang dyan. Okay, thank you Tricia, yeah? Thank you.
Dad, I found saging, not
Huh?
saging.
Yeah, saging. Saging na saba. Okay, so titikman natin yung durian.
Watermelon.
Mangustin din. Mangustin. Nini, look, this one. You don't like this? Ito ba ano? Per pieces o per piece ha? Per kilo? Pabili nga ako.
We need this.
Patitikim ko. Nine, not that one. That is local only we will buy. So patikim natin kay Nine yung local fruits natin. Mango, nakatikim na naman siya ng isang araw. Thank you ha. Thank you. Ano pa ba? Pinya naman natitikman niya sa UK. Saging. This one, maliit na saging. Turdan. Yeah, Nina will buy banana, yeah? Do you want which Shania? Which banana you want? You want this small one or big one?
Big one.
Small one?
But small one, very tiny.
Yeah, very tiny. So you want to try this?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, 41 only, oh.
41?
Yeah, 41. So let's try this. Okay. Ito na lang. Magkano ba ito? 94. Sige, bili tayo nito. Pwede kaya ito?
Pero sir, hindi mo po mabaho ito.
Hindi, ang problema, dahon kasi baka kailangan nila marijuana.
Hindi sir, mayroon mo po mga lang.
Dison pa.
Gulay naman pong gulay niya.
Isa lang? Isa lang? O dalawa?
Dalawa niyo sir, para...
Try natin dalawa. Mahirap din kasi dun eh. O sige.
Kasi ito sir, ikaw pag nabasa na ng gata,
Makakakunti na, no? Dalawa na. O sige. Salamat. Anong pangalan mo? Shout out kay Mr. Pesa.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So ayun guys, so ito na yung napamili namin. Mostly dadalhin namin yan sa UK. So tingnan natin, may iba pang request si Shama. So uwi na tayo Nina. Yeah, we're going home na. Okay, we'll pay this guys and uwi na tayo sa bahay. Okay, see you sa bahay Nina. So ito yung total 5,200, 1.39. Okay, so 2 boxes then. Nina, let's go na. Bibili lang kami dito sa Robinson Department Store. So let's go. Come here. We're going to buy a Philippine t-shirt, yeah? Souvenir. Let's see here. So yun guys, pinagpapabili lang ng Philippine t-shirts like Mabuhay. So tatanong tayo dito. Saan dito yung mga yung mga Philippine made t-shirt like Mabuhay? Wala dito. Sa SM lang meron. No. Nina, they don't have here. Sa SM lang pala nun meron. Pupunta pa tayo doon. Mabuhay Philippines. Shoutout natin si Paulo. Big shoutout kay Paulo from Balintawak. Greet mo naman yung mga tropa mo.
Ingat kayo palagi.
Yung mga tropa mo dito sa Balintawak.
Hello sa mga tropa ko dito. Huwag tayong iinom.
Okay. Thank you Paulo. Thank you paghatid na. Thank you. Thank you Mr. Rafi Fronda ng Balintawak sa paghatid sa akin dito. Big shout out. Thank you very much. Very traffic nga lang. Traffic nga lang at may aksidente raw. So thank you. Baka may gusto kang batiin mga tropa?
Yung tropa na lang po ng Robinson Toda.
Robinson Toda. Shout out daw sa mga taga Robinson Toda. Si Rafi Fronda. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Sige po. Salamat.
Okay. So, Nini is ready to taste calgeretang kambing. Yan luto ni Chef Isaid. So, yan Nina, give me the Chef Isaid, paano nga nung pinggan ni Nina? Yan. Lalagyan natin ng calgeretang. Ano kang mga Ricardo na rin? Chef Isaid. Tayo, sandali ako na. Yan So, hindi naman maaaring hindi pababarikin ng mga tropa at talagang baka magtampo. So, ito yung alaga ng aking kapatid. Hindi naman magandang inahinin. Kaya nag-decide na lang kaming katayin. So, Nina, judgment. Titingnan natin kung masarap ang luto ni... Ha?
Judge?
Yeah, you're the judge. So, hold this. Hold this. Hold this. I will hold it. Okay, isa ito. So, patitikim na natin kay Nina ang calgereta ng Batangas. Calgeretang kambing. Nina, do you know kambing?
Yeah.
Nini eat meat, so she don't mind goat. Yeah, Nina? You don't mind goat? Yeah, you like goat. But she prepared chicken. So let's try, yeah, Nina. Rice first with little bit soup. You know? Yung mga, mainit pa yata sandali. Mainit pa. Ha?
Ano yan?
Titingnan natin ang luto ni Chef Ised kung pumasa kay Nina. Mahanghang? Spicy? Spicy? Oh my God! Good to Ised! Nagustuhan ng bata ang kaldereta ni Ised. Tikman natin ang konting meat. Kung malambot ka ang ano.
No, it's spicy. I'm telling you, it's spicy.
Ah, yes, spicy. But is it yummy? Yummy?
Hindi, pinipindot para lumiwanag na.
Hindi, okay na.
Okay na.
Is it yummy?
Ay, kadile.
Hindi, yummy o down?
Yeah, because it's spicy.
Oh my God, he said, down daw. Oh, hindi na naman nagustuhan ng kaldereta. Mahanghang daw, mahanghang. So, hindi pasado ang kaldereta. Tikman ang konting kaninina. Ayaw mo na? No more? No more? Oh, di, ayaw na ni Nini ng kaldereta. Yan na lang mga tropa. Nag-i-enjoy. Yo, ano yun ang mga tropa? Hi naman ang mga tropa. Sabi, hello! Mahihiyain ang mga
Tulog,
tropa.
tulog kaya, tulog.
Nagsisimula pa lang, hindi na agad makaibig. So, tikman natin ang luto ni Pisang Ised. Arin may pinsang ko nagluto ng kalderetang aray. Tikman ko nga.
Makakainin nyo yan.
Ba't ka puro buto? Ay, ang kambing na yan. Wala naman.
Daddy, look how
Ha?
fat I am.
Mm.
Fat, I'm fat.
Yeah. Hindi naman masyado spicy, pero sa mga bata nga spicy. Lutong-luto ang karne, malambot. Talagang sabi ko kasi palambutan ng karne eh.
Kung wala nang ganyan, sakayin kainin ng
Yeah, tama ang luto ng karne. Hindi yung tigasin. So guys, before we leave Philippines, pinasaya natin ng konti ang tropa. Nag-shopping din kami ng konti. Nag-request si Madam Shama. So thank you for watching Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs. Please like, share, and subscribe. Enjoying vacation in the Philippines. Thank you, Nine!
Bye-bye!